Asian Glossy Starling Aplonis panayensis albiris. The Asian Glossy Starling is a medium-sized bird, 17 to 20 centimeters long, weighing around 50 to 60 grams. Adults are shiny black with an iridescent green or oily gloss. They have bristly forehead feathers and lance-shaped throat feathers, giving them a sharp, alert look. Males and females look alike, but juveniles are different, brown above, whitish below with dark streaks, and have a yellow to pink iris that gradually turns red with age. Across its wide range, many subspecies show variations in gloss color, body size, and bill shape. Found in India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Singapore. It thrives in lowland forests, mangroves, plantations, coastal areas, and even urban parks and cities. This bird is a fruit lover, feeding on figs, papaya, morinda, and many wild fruits, but also eats nectar, insects, spiders, and even snails. They mostly arboreal, foraging in treetops, but will also descend to the ground for fallen fruit or to smash snails open on hard surfaces. Breeding seasons vary across its range, from January to September depending on location. Nests are rough cup shapes made of grass, roots, and leaves placed in tree holes, cliff crevices, or even urban structures like walls and eaves. They usually lay 3 blue or greenish-blue eggs with brown speckles. The Asian Glossy Starling is classified as least concern thanks to its adaptability and widespread presence. Fascinated by Asia's urban wildlife? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to explore more dazzling birds like this one. Thank you for watching.